Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we continue with our learning journey of transportation management module, exercise 10, create an ocean freight booking. For anyone who is new, my name is Anh, junior SAP consultant. I'm learning myself different logistic modules inside SAP S/4HANA private cloud and want to share with you guys my learning journeys. Hope you guys can find something helpful for your projects or day-to-day operations. So let's get into it. So last time we have done the exercise with the transportation cockpit, where we create all the freight route order, edit them, and do all the plannings from the freight unit and assign them to a vehicle resource, a lorry, and create different freight orders based on algorithm or based on doing them manually ourselves. Today we're going a step further in like an omni-modal transportation where we have different kind of transportation modes in place. And yeah, we start off with ocean freight booking, where it's like buying a ticket on the train, on the voyage, on the ship, where we just buy some places, some on the ship, and then we book the ticket and forward the ticket to our carrier. The carrier will pick our goods and then deliver to the port where our good is actually loaded into the ship. So let's get into it. You need to be able to create an ocean freight booking for capacity reservation with an ocean carrier. First, create an ocean freight booking with freight booking type BST1. Assign a voyage from schedule 11 to your ocean booking. We want the port Deham and discharge in port probably China Shanghai. The departure date should be approximately 6 weeks in the future. All right, then let's get into it. I can come back here in the Fiori Launchpad. In the order management tab, we have different kind of things. Before we have to create and edit a road freight order. Now we continue with create ocean freight booking. The freight booking type BST1. So here I have my booking type here, carrier executing carrier not assigned. Container count also not assigned, but as a mandatory field. I probably need to assign a schedule, right? Voyage from schedule 11. Okay, let me first search for something. So the source location should be Port Deham. And this should be what? CN Shanghai. Okay. Departure date from now. Yes, we can just later on this time. Yeah. Schedule 11. Dragon line. Okay. Clinks. It sounds interesting. Dragon line. I can click on search to find any departures or voyage with this particular search criteria. Let's see. So I need a voyage which start 6 weeks from now. So which means that I am now from 15th of January. I could expect beginning of March. So yes, I think I found one on the 3rd of March. I select this port Shanghai. Enter a port of loading and port of discharge. Okay, then I probably need to select the whole like this. Okay, we can see here there are some different fields which are automatically filled, like carrier. They are now somehow gray out. booking confirmation status not sent to carrier. Voyage, we have a number here. Schedule 11 as set. And total distance and duration, not sure if it is in hour or so, but yes, probably in hours. I think it takes like 20 days. But yes. I think that should be it, yeah, for this exercise. Which example was taken over from the schedule to the ocean freight booking? Have a look at general data and location, times and date. So at general data, I think we are fine. With this carrier assigned, the voyage. Yes. And what else do they say? Date and times tab. Location, date and time. Do we have that here? Location. Ah, okay, so we do have it here. Pretty far away, but let's see what they have to offer. Okay, so I scroll down. I have here my port of loading is Deham in Hamburg. Ah, Hamburg. Port.de, okay, Port.de for Deutschland, okay, got it. Then also for China, for China and Shanghai, CNS HA, and here I have DE for Hamburg. All right. We have a sailing date, a cargo cut-off date, custom, dangerous good cut-off, document cut-off date. So everything fit here. Expected arrival date. So it could be more than a month that it come back to Hamburg. Okay. I'm still not sure about the part of this chart. The exercise requires that we need to choose Shanghai for our port of discharge, right? Or what is that exactly is here port of discharge? Yeah, that is one thing I confuse, because when I select this as scheduled Dragon Line, they goes to Shanghai and then come back again to Hamburg. So that I assume that we do have the location already in Shanghai. But yes, could be my understanding based on that, because earlier when I choose the okay, we have here stage, so main carriage Hamburg to Rotterdam, Rotterdam to Shanghai, and Shanghai come back to Hamburg. Okay, then they did go to Shanghai. All right, got it then. Should be fine with the exercise. Enter the capacity requirement of 320-feet containers with the equipment 20G2 ZZ0 and two 40-feet containers with equipment 42GO. That should be requested from carrier. Capacity requirements. All right, capacity requirement. Let me see if I have it here. We have here schedule, we have already assigned. Capacity requirement. A container count, okay. So I think we have in total 5 container, right? 3 of the 20 feet and 2 of the 40 feet. So I think I give it here, container count. H, yes, and But why do I have here only one single requirement capacity? I do believe that we need more, right? Items. If I click on items, what happened here? Insert freight unit. Consignment order. No, not what I'm looking for. Capacity requirement here. I do believe this is where I need to insert the capacity requirement. Okay, let's go down. I will search for 20ZO. Yes, 20GO. We need 3 from this one, right? Container count. And we need from this 40GO 2 equipment group. I think also container. Click enter. Let's see if it reacts. Okay, so equipment type not exists. 42GO. Okay, now it should fit. Yes, if I click on save, it should work, right? Yeah, click on save. Data saved successfully. Okay, I think now it should look fine. Oh, interesting. So after I create the capacity requirements, 3 from the 20 feet cargo and 2 from the 42 feet cargo, I now have an updated from all items. I can see here all the 5 containers are listed individually, 20 feet, 20 feet, 20 feet, and 40 feet. So yes, and they go loading location Port Hamburg, unloading is also Port Hamburg. Even though somehow I'm still confused. I still think that I need to stop already at Shanghai, but maybe that is the voyage. We start from Hamburg and needs to end at Hamburg. I'm not sure. Yeah, we have a look later in the solution. What is the booking confirmation status and the confirmed container count? Booking confirmation status is 1, not sent to carrier, and container count is 5 containers. Cargo capacity is 7. Not sure what is stand for, but yeah, that should be the exercise, right? Yes. Let's have a look, short look into the exercise solution. For the first one, BDST1, go to create ocean freight booking or find. We assign the schedule 11. Yes, you want to port in Port Hamburg and discharge in Port Shanghai. So in the main toolbar, choose schedule assign on select the departure port up, select 11. Okay. So instead of choosing the start and final location, they just leave it blank and just search for the voyage 11, schedule 11, sorry. If I click now on search, do I have an option to choose only Port Hamburg to Shanghai? No. Okay, so I think it's the same that we have on the 3rd of March and voyage. If I select now to Shanghai, I think it won't work out. Yeah, it's the same message that we got earlier. So we need to select the the whole voyage on the 3rd of March. Like this, and it allows me now to select. Okay, then it is the same. Yes, then we can come back. Yeah, select a departure processing QuickTime now, and by selecting port dirham and port from the same voyage. Okay, choose okay. Carrier voyage schedule under location, date time, port loading cutoff times. We have seen it earlier. For the fourth exercise, we need to scroll down to capacity requirement area and enter the following data. You have to insert. Okay, that's correct what I have done. Once to get a second row ready for input. Yes. Equipment 20 03 4202. General data is not sent to carrier, and the confirm container is the confirm container, a confirm container cloud. Okay, let me have a look into our ocean freight booking. It's bad I don't have that number in mind. Maybe we need to somehow create it by us. So we have a group. How many users are here? Really? Okay. Can you find me? Okay, yes. So this is my user, and freight booking I have created should be the second one. Yes, so we can see here the container count. We do have 5 in total, but the confirmed container count is blank, which means 0 as the solution state. Yeah, count is 0 blank. So that is for this exercise. I hope you find something helpful to take away. See you in the next video. Bye.